So hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Sonic Ideas. So in this video, I'm going to make Magma Ifrit, and first I'm going to make the Magma Blade, then I will make the other parts of the Beyblade. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, so guys make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notification bell so that you can get more useful videos like this in future. So guys, now it's time to move on the video. So guys, as I have told you, first I am going to make the Magma Blade, then I will make the other parts of the Beyblade. So guys, to make the Magma Blade, as you can see, I have got 6 cardboard pieces, almost like the Magma Blade template. So first, stick these 2 cardboard pieces on the Magma Blade template by using the help of glue gun, or you can use any type of glue you want. So let me show you after doing that. So guys, after sticking, now stick this cardboard piece at the bottom on the Magma Blade like that, then stick the other 3 cardboard pieces at the bottom by using the help of glue gun, and I have told you, you can use any type of glue you want. And the Magma Blade will be ready. So guys, as you can see, I have taken all the cardboard pieces together by using the help of glue gun, and I have also rubbed some hot glue gun around the blade to give a good shape. After that, I have also rubbed some super glue around the blade to make the blade stronger like the original one. As you can see guys, it's very solid now. So guys, now the Magma Blade is ready. So guys, now I am going to make the DB core Ifrit, but first I am going to make the DB chip Ifrit, then I will make the DB core. So guys, to make the DB chip, as you can see, I have got 3 cardboard pieces, same like the DB chip Ifrit, like that you can see. Now stick these 3 cardboard pieces on the DB chip Ifrit like that by using glue and try to stick it properly. So guys, now the DB chip is ready, as you can see. So now I am going to make the DB core. So guys, to make the DB core, as you can see, I have got 2 cardboard pieces almost like the DB core template. Now stick these 2 cardboard pieces on the DB core template like this way. Okay, now stick the DB chip on the DB core like that. So guys, the DB core is almost ready. Now as you can see, I have a burst function system on my hand, and I have created this burst function system with thin cardboard pieces. And if you really want to know how did I make this burst function system, so just go to the I button and you will find the video about how to make a burst function system like this. Or you can also visit my YouTube channel. Now stick it like this way by using super glue, and the DB core will be fully ready. So guys, now I am going to make the armor for Magma Ifrit. So here you can see the template. So to make the armor, as you can see, I have got 3 cardboard pieces, same like the armor template. Now stick these 3 cardboard pieces on the armor template by using glue, and the armor will be ready. So guys, now I am going to make the disc. So guys, to make the disc, as you can see, I have got 4 cardboard pieces, same like the disc template, and 4 smaller circular cardboard pieces. So now first stick these 4 cardboard pieces on the disc template properly. So guys, after sticking, it will look like this. And guys, I just forgot to tell you something, that is, before sticking the cardboard pieces, make sure you have created a small hole on the template of the disc like that. Okay, I just forgot it. I'm really sorry for that. I hope you all got it. Now stick these 4 smaller circular cardboard pieces on top where I have created the circular mark like that with glue, and the body of the disc will be. As you can see, I have sticking the cardboard pieces on top like that. So guys, the body of the disc is ready. Now as you can see, I have 2 plastic pieces on my hand, and I have cut these 2 plastic pieces from a bottle cap, red color bottle cap, and I have shaped them like that by using scissor. But guys, you can also use the top of ice cream sticks, or you can also make these 2 plastic pieces by using cardboard pieces. Okay, just cut square shaped cardboard pieces smaller. Now stick these 2 plastic pieces on the both side on the disc from the line mark like this way. Let me show you properly. Stick the 2 cardboard pieces like this way, okay, and the disc will be ready. So guys, after sticking those 2 plastic pieces on the body of the disc, it will look like this. So guys, now the disc is fully ready. Now it's time to make the last and the final part of the bay, the driver. So guys, to make the driver of Magma Ifrit, you need some items, as you can see in the video. First, you need a bottle cap like that. And guys, I think you all know that the driver of Magma Ifrit is almost red color without the quad type driver. So that's why I'm using a red color bottle cap. But guys, it's your choice. You can use any type of bottle cap you want if you don't have red color bottle cap. Any color, okay? And guys, I have told this many times in my other DB bay making videos. While using a bottle cap, make sure that you are using a lower bottle cap. Don't use higher bottle cap, because if you use a higher bottle cap and when you will make the DB bay and when you will use the high mode of the bay will become very tall, and when you will spin the bay in the stadium, the bay will be very unstable and it will not spin for a long time. that's why. But guys, if you don't have lower bottle caps, so no problem, you can also use higher bottle caps, but you have to do a small work on the bottle cap. That is, you just have to cut the upper part of the bottle cap by using the help of anti-cutter. Like this one, you can see the both bottle caps are fully same, but I just did that work and I just cut the upper part of the bottle cap, and then I just rubbed it on sandpaper to make the upper part smoother. You can see, that's all. I hope you all got it. Then you need a burst function system. And guys, I have told you, if you don't know how to make a burst function system, so video link is in the description box and also at the I button. Now guys, you need some circular cardboard pieces like this. These 4 circular cardboard pieces will be fully equal, you can see, and the other ones will be from small to large. And let's talk about this small tip. So this will be the attack tip of the bay. You can see. Now you have a question that from where did I got this tip? So guys, actually this tip was a cap of a super glue like this one. I just cut it like this way by using the help of anti-cutter. I hope you all got it, but you can also use other types of tip you want if you have. So now it's time to make the driver. So first, stick these 4 circular cardboard pieces together by using glue like that. Then stick the other smaller cardboard pieces from small to large. I mean, first stick the bigger one, then the more smaller, then the more smaller, then the more smaller. Then finally attach the tip on top. I hope you all got it. Let me show you after doing that. So guys, after sticking all the cardboard pieces and the tip on top, it will look like this. Now stick it on the bottle cap at the center area by using super glue. Now stick the burst function system at the center area like that with glue. So guys, as you can see, I have taken the burst function system at the center area into the bottle cap by using the help of glue gun, and I have also added some glue so that the driver will be a little bit heavy and it will also make the bay a little bit heavy. That's why. So now as you can see, I have black mark on this side and also on this side. Now stick glue on this side and also on this side where I have black mark. But if you don't want to stick glue, so then no problem, you can also stick square shaped cardboard pieces, smaller one, like this way, and also on the other side. And here you go. And guys, I have told you, you can also stick square shaped cardboard pieces on both sides instead of hot glue gun. So guys, the driver is fully ready. So guys, Magma Ifrit Beyblade is now fully ready, as you can see in the video, and it is a burst system Beyblade with DB system and also with the accurate parts. So now it's time to set up the Beyblade. Let's see how does the Beyblade looks like. So I am going to set up the Beyblade by using low mode first, and guys, the DB core Ifrit is very circular. And guys, actually I have no idea is this system actually called a DB system or not. Please let me know in the comments. But the system really works like regular DB system, like the regular DB base. That's why I'm just calling this system as a DB system, and actually I don't know about that much. Okay guys, the armor and the core fits very properly. Now finally the driver. Wow guys, locks very well. Everything is okay and perfect, as you can see. Wow guys, it's looking very awesome. Like now guys. So okay guys, now it's time to test the bay. So guys, now I'm going to do a quick spin test, then I will do some test battles. And guys, if you really want to know how did I make this DB bay launcher, so video link is at the I button. Just click on it and you will get the video. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Wow guys, super. Very stable, and also it's working pretty well as expected. And it's working like an attack type bay. guys, thanks for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, so please like this video, and I have told you, if you are new in this channel, so make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and also hit that bell icon so that you can get the notification of my next video update. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.